Alright, y'all, let's learn step by step how to make rice. Perfect every single time. Fluffy. Now you want to start by getting 2 cups of rice. I use jasmine rice, but you can use basmati, whatever rice that you prefer. You want to wash that about 6 to 7 times or until the water is completely clear. As you can see, it's foggy. You don't want that. And this is also going to help with your rice separating if you have a problem with your rice getting too sticky and things like that. This is a part of the problem. Now for 2 cups of rice, you want to add 2 tablespoons of any neutral oil, and then you want to salt generously. Then add 3 cups of water. This is going to be on medium heat, about 1/2 inch, because if you add too much water, that's when it becomes too mushy, too sticky, all of that. You want your water right above your rice. Now you want to let that rice come to a boil with the lid off until the water evaporates on the top. Once it evaporates on the top, you want to place the lid over it and you want to let that steam and cook down for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're going to flip your rice. Essentially just flipping the bottom of the rice to the top to make sure that everything is cooked evenly. After 10 minutes, you're going to flip your rice. Then I just create this dome shape to allow everything to steam together. After flipping, you want to put the lid back on and let that steam and cook again for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, majority of your rice should be cooked. At this point, you're just fluffing your rice to make sure that it separates, and then you want to turn the heat off. I like to turn the heat off and put the lid back on for another 5 to 10 minutes, essentially. What this is just doing is steaming the rest of whatever rice isn't cooked, and then after that, you're all done. To know that it's good, take a piece of rice between your fingers and lightly push. If it's soft, then it's ready. It shouldn't be mushy, it shouldn't be hard, it shouldn't be any of that. After it's steamed with the heat off, I just fluff it again, and that's it. Your rice is all ready. So quick and so simple, but very essential to know. Now, there's a bunch of ways to make rice. This is just how I grew up making it, and it was the easiest for me. So let me know if this worked for you, and comment, like, and subscribe. I don't know about y'all, but when the rice is seasoned enough, I could literally just eat white rice.